Have you ever found yourself in a jam, staring at your car battery, wondering if it's time to replace it? Well, guess what? What if I told you there's a quick, cheap trick to make your old car battery work like new, without the hassle of spending a fortune on a new one? It sounds unbelievable, right? But stay tuned, because today, we're going to show you exactly how spraying WD-40 on your car battery can give it a new lease on life. You won't believe the results. Trust me, this will change how you think about battery maintenance forever. So, buckle up and keep watching. Here's the problem we all face: corrosion. Over time, a white, powdery substance starts to form on the battery terminals, causing poor connections, sluggish starts, and ultimately, the dreaded dead battery moment. You know the one. You're in a rush, you hop into the car, turn the key, and nothing. Total silence. Or maybe just a faint click. But the good news is, this annoying problem doesn't always require a pricey replacement. There's something much simpler that can get your car battery back to working like it did when it was brand new. Now let's dive in. The first thing we need to do is clean the battery terminals. Using a wire brush, carefully scrub away all the corrosion and grime from the terminals. Be sure to wear gloves and protective glasses to avoid any mess or accidents. Safety first, always. Once you've cleaned the terminals, it's time for the WD-40. Okay, now here's the magic. The reason WD-40 works is that it's a powerful water displacement formula, designed to prevent rust and corrosion. And when you spray it on the terminals, it helps break down the acid buildup that causes corrosion in the first place. It acts like a shield, protecting the metal from further damage and creating a smooth, clean surface. This allows your battery to make better contact and deliver more power. Look at that! The corrosion is breaking down, and already you can see the results. It's a simple solution, but it's incredibly effective. But that's just the beginning. We're not just spraying the terminals and calling it a day. To really give your battery a fighting chance, we need to ensure everything is tight and secure. Now that the corrosion is dealt with, it's time to make sure those connections are solid. Tighten the battery cables to the terminals. Don't over-tighten. Just make sure they're secure. And loose connections can cause your car to have trouble starting, or worse, drain your battery quicker. The goal here is a tight, clean, and efficient connection. So, we've cleaned the terminals, applied the WD-40, and made sure everything's tightened up. The moment of truth. Let's see if this little hack really works. Ready? And there you go! A smooth, powerful start. Just like that, your battery is working like it's brand new. No more worrying about dead batteries, no more expensive replacements. Just a simple spray of WD-40 and a little maintenance, and your car is back to running like it should. Now, let me ask you a question. How much do you usually spend on a new car battery? Well, the average cost of a replacement is between $100 and $200. But why spend that money when you can get a few more years out of your existing battery? WD-40 is cheap and easy to use, and it could save you from the inconvenience and cost of buying a new one. It's important to note that this trick won't make your old battery last forever. If your battery is already at the end of its life, this won't bring it back to life completely. But for those of us with batteries that are still working but starting to show signs of wear and tear, this is a fantastic way to extend their lifespan without breaking the bank. Okay, so now you know the secret. WD-40 is more than just a household cleaner. It's a life-saving tool for your car battery. But I know what you're thinking. Does this really work for everyone? Well, the truth is, this technique works for most car batteries, but there are a few exceptions. Let's go over them. If your battery is leaking acid or showing physical damage, this trick won't work. In those cases, it's time to replace the battery. But if you're just dealing with some corrosion or sluggish starts, WD-40 can definitely give your battery a boost. So, the next time you see corrosion on your battery terminals, don't rush to the auto shop for a new battery. Try this simple fix first. Grab a can of WD-40, clean your terminals, and watch the magic happen. Your car and your wallet will thank you. All right, now I want to hear from you. Have you ever tried this WD-40 hack on your car battery? Did it work for you? Drop your comments below. I'd love to hear about your experiences. And if this video helped you save some money, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more awesome tips and hacks that will make your life easier. Now that you know the basics of using WD-40 to clean and restore your car battery, let's talk about some other hacks and tips that can help you extend the life of your battery even further. Because, let's face it, batteries are one of those car components that can really take a hit over time. If you're like most people, you probably don't think about your car battery until it's too late. But with just a few proactive steps, you can ensure that your battery lasts much longer and without spending a fortune. Now, one of the most important things to remember when it comes to your car battery is keeping it clean and dry. Corrosion, which is caused by the acid buildup, thrives in moist and dirty conditions. So, after you've used the WD-40 to clean your battery, you'll want to make sure that you keep the area around the battery as dry as possible. This means checking the battery's surroundings for any moisture or debris and wiping them down regularly. A dry, clean environment is key to prolonging your battery's life. Another often overlooked trick is to check your battery's charge. You don't need to wait for your battery to start failing before you take action. If you notice that your car isn't starting as quickly as it used to, or if your headlights are dimmer than usual, these are signs that your battery might not be holding a full charge. You can easily check your battery's voltage using a multimeter. A healthy battery should read around 12.6 volts when the engine is off. If it's any lower, it could be time to give the battery a little TLC before it completely dies. If you want to make sure you're doing everything you can to prevent a dead battery, you should also look at your charging system. The alternator is what keeps your battery charged while you're driving, so if it's malfunctioning, it can prevent your battery from getting a full charge. A quick way to check if your alternator is working properly is to start your car, then disconnect the negative terminal from the battery. If the car dies within a few seconds, your alternator isn't charging the battery. If it continues to run, it means your alternator is doing its job. Now, here's something that may sound counterintuitive, but it's something that could save your battery over time. Avoid short trips. If you're constantly driving short distances, your car's alternator doesn't have enough time to fully recharge the battery. This can slowly drain your battery, especially during colder months when batteries are already under more strain. If you do have to take short trips, try taking your car on a longer drive once in a while to give the battery time to recharge fully. And speaking of weather, let's talk about how the elements can affect your car battery. Extreme heat and cold can be especially hard on your battery. In cold weather, the chemical reaction inside your battery slows down, which can cause it to lose its charge faster. In hot weather, the heat can cause the battery fluid to evaporate, which can lead to a short circuit. To protect your battery, try to park your car in a shaded area or a garage to shield it from extreme temperatures. Here's another battery hack that you might not have heard of: applying petroleum jelly to the terminals after cleaning them. After you've cleaned your battery and applied the WD-40, you can use a small amount of petroleum jelly to coat the terminals. This will help prevent further corrosion by sealing the terminals from moisture and air. Just be careful not to use too much. Only a thin layer will do the trick. Now, I know some of you may be wondering, does this method work on all types of batteries? The good news is that yes, it works on most lead-acid batteries, which are the most common type of car battery. However, if you have a different type of battery like a gel or AGM, absorbent glass mat battery, you may want to check the manufacturer's instructions to ensure that it's safe to use WD-40 or other chemicals on them. Let's talk about a few other common car battery problems that you can avoid with regular maintenance. One of the most common issues with car batteries is a loose terminal. Over time, the terminals can become loose due to vibrations from driving. When this happens, it can lead to poor connections and prevent your car from starting. To avoid this, regularly check the terminals to make sure they're tight. If they are loose, tighten them with a wrench, but be sure not to over-tighten, as that can cause damage. Another issue that can affect your battery is sulfation. This happens when lead sulfate crystals build up on the battery plates, reducing the battery's ability to hold a charge. While sulfation is difficult to prevent, keeping your battery clean, avoiding overcharging, and regularly checking your charging system can reduce the risk of sulfation. Sometimes your car battery might just need a good old-fashioned jump start. If your car isn't starting, but you know the battery isn't completely dead, you can try jump starting it with jumper cables in a second car. Make sure to follow the correct procedure when jump starting your vehicle to avoid damaging your car's electrical system. Now let's dive a little deeper into what happens when corrosion builds up on the terminals. Over time, the corrosion prevents the battery from making a proper connection with the car's electrical system. This can cause several problems, such as the car not starting properly or the electrical system not functioning at its best. In some cases, if the corrosion is left unchecked, it can lead to complete battery failure. And so, why does corrosion even happen in the first place? Well, it's caused by the battery acid reacting with the metal terminals, which leads to the formation of the white, powdery substance we see on the terminals. This is why it's essential to clean the battery terminals regularly to keep the acid buildup from causing any issues. WD-40 works wonders in cleaning and preventing corrosion by breaking down the acid and providing a protective coating. Some of you might also wonder how often you should clean your battery terminals. The answer depends on how much you drive and the climate in which you live. If you live in a particularly humid or salty environment, you may need to clean your terminals more often. A good rule of thumb is to check them every few months to make sure they're clean and corrosion-free. If you're thinking about replacing your battery, make sure to dispose of your old one properly. Car batteries contain harmful chemicals and materials that can be hazardous to the environment. Most auto parts stores will accept your old battery for recycling, and some will even offer a discount on your new battery in exchange for your old one. All right, let's recap everything you've learned so far. You've discovered how WD-40 can be used to clean your car battery terminals and prevent corrosion, extending the life of your battery. You've learned about the importance of checking your battery's charge and the charging system to ensure it's working properly. You've also picked up some valuable tips for protecting your battery from extreme weather, checking for loose terminals, and preventing sulfation. By following these simple maintenance tips, you can help your car battery last longer and avoid the expensive cost of replacing it prematurely. And remember, when you notice the first signs of corrosion, don't wait. Grab some WD-40, clean those terminals, and get your car back to running like new. So what are you waiting for? Try these hacks out today and let us know how they work for you. I'm sure you'll be amazed at how easy it is to keep your car battery running smoothly. And hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button for more awesome tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.